Planet Earth is your home, and everyone else's. The human race has always thought that the Earth was so big that it needed to be divided up into smaller bits, although we haven't always agreed on the best ways to do this. Explore our place in space in this unique Minecraft educational adventure and travel through the solar system and Earth's history. Space is big, really, really big. To demonstrate this, as you drive in your little car to, let's say, Mars, that would take about 148 years. As I said, space is big.
Journey to the moon.
Once you reach Mars, you can travel back in time on Earth and witness some of the issues we faced in our collective past. War, famine, slavery, even fake news.
Because for a long time,
learn about us and them and why, really, we are all us on our little blue planet.
Our moon has lots of craters, created when space rocks hit the surface at a high speed. Scientists think the moon was formed long ago when the Earth crashed into an object about the size of Mars. Journey to Venus. Venus is the second planet closest to the Sun and is the hottest of all the planets. It is covered in thousands of active volcanoes. Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet, as it is almost exactly the same size as Earth. At certain times of the year, Venus is easily visible in the evening or dawn sky. Journey to Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is about half the size of the Earth and is the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is also known as the Red Planet because there is a lot of iron oxide on the surface of Mars. This is similar to the rust that we see on Earth. Journey to Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and the planet which is closest to the Sun. It is only slightly larger than the Earth's moon. The gravity on Mercury is so low that you could jump 3 times as high as you could on Earth. Journey to the Sun would take 283 years. The Sun is a huge burning ball of gas that the entire solar system revolves around. It is so huge that you could fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. The Sun gives us heat and light. It is a burning ball of hydrogen and helium, about 15 million degrees Celsius at its core. The surface of the Sun is 5,500 degrees. To put it in context, water boils at 100 degrees. Journey to Jupiter, 1,200 years. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and is twice as large as all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter is a gas giant, made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Because it is made up of gas, it does not have a solid surface. However, it may have a solid inner core about the size of Earth. Journey to Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and is also known as the jewel of the solar system. It is the 2nd largest planet in our solar system and is best known for its distinctive rings, made up of bits of ice, dust, and rock. They are the only ones that can be easily seen from Earth. All you need is a small telescope. Journey to Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is an extremely cold planet with an average temperature of -195 degrees Celsius. It is one of the 2 planets we call ice giants. Like Jupiter and Saturn, it is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, but Uranus contains another gas called methane. Methane gas is what makes Uranus blue. Journey to Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system, farthest from the Sun. It is also an ice giant, made up of the gases hydrogen, helium, plus small amounts of methane and ammonia. Again, the methane gives Neptune a blue colour, just like Uranus. Despite its extremely cold atmosphere, the interior core of Neptune is far hotter than its ice giant twin, Uranus. In fact, Neptune gives out 2.6 times more heat than it receives from the Sun. This temperature difference may be why Neptune experiences such crazy weather. Winds on the planet can reach almost 2,200 kilometers per hour, the fastest in our solar system. Journey to Pluto. There are lots of other things in our solar system that are too small to be considered planets. Some of these chunks of rock, ice and gas are much smaller than the other planets, like Pluto for example. Pluto used to be officially called a planet, but it was demoted to a dwarf planet when other bodies around the same size were discovered.